Hey, Owen. Yeah, pretty exciting, huh? It's pretty exciting to be awake in the morning, huh? I heard you over there waiting to get up. Mom tricked me. She hasn't set the clocks forward yet, so I thought it was later than it was. So you get to get up early. Yeah. Oh wow, good setup. Sorry. What a happy little guy. You sure hate this cell phone though. There we go. Yeah, look at Dad. Yay!